Guys, hi loves, hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Lily Beauty. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys my honest review about the Goji Berry Face Cream. So if you're interested in getting a good face cream for your face, you just want to keep on watching. So the name of the product I'll be reviewing for you guys today is called the Goji Berry Face Cream. So this is what the face cream actually looks like. So the Goji Berry Face Cream comes in this pack. I didn't want to throw it away because I knew I wanted to review this product. So the Goji Berry Face Cream comes in a pack like this. Take out the pack, you have this 100 ml small circle container. So if you open up the face cream, you have this pinky inside. The texture is fluffy like a whipped cream, so it doesn't really have any fragrance attached to it. So this face cream, it promises a whole lot of things like anti-aging, moisturizing, hydration. So I am here to tell you guys my honest verdict about this product. Okay, so this particular Goji Berry face cream, I have been using it for a while now. And yeah, I'm here to tell you guys what I like and what I don't really like about this product. Judging from my own personal experience, I really like the texture of this cream. It applies nicely on the skin, absorbs very easily into the skin, and is non-greasy on the skin. Okay, so I'll be showing you guys how to look at this. So once you apply this, applies very easily into the skin, okay, and it absorbs quickly into the skin. It doesn't give you that greasy feel. It makes your skin feel smooth and soft. Okay, so this product, it actually makes your skin feel very supple, soft, smooth when applied to the skin. I think it's because of the hyaluronic acid content of the Goji Berry face cream, because we all know that hyaluronic acid, it helps in reducing wrinkles, redness of the face, and that is why this face cream is very good in hydrating the skin, and it really helps in getting rid of facial redness. So if you're battling with facial redness, I think this will suit your face. So this face cream, it really goes a long way in hydrating your face. And another good thing I really like about this product is the fact that it contains retinol, and we all know that retinol is also good in treating wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps in collagen production. So this face cream, it actually improves your skin color. It goes a long way to firm your skin, it hydrates your skin, it softens and smoothens out your skin, it moisturizes very well, okay, but it does not lighten the skin. It will only help to give your face this radiant, smooth feel. It also helps to treat dark spots due to the retinol content in it. It helps to get rid of dark spots with consistent use. So this particular face cream, it will actually clear your dark spots, but it does not in any way lighten your skin. So if you're looking for a face cream that will lighten your face, this will not lighten your face, but this will take out your dark spots, smoothen your face, and give you that radiant, healthy glow. Okay, the retinol content of this face cream helps to unclog pores, clearing out your acne and acne scars like dark spots. Okay, so I had some dark spots on my face. It's I used to battle a whole lot with acne spots, but since I started using this face cream, the acne spots, it have been fading away for some time now. So if you really want to see results with this product, I'll be showing you how to use this particular Goji Berry face cream. So following the instructions, better effect to use in the morning and evening. Okay, that is what is written on the body. According to my own personal experience, this facial cream can be used twice a day as written on the body. But for me, if you're to use this face cream in the daytime, please use it alongside a sunscreen. Okay, if you're to use this Goji Berry Face Cream in the daytime, you make sure you're using it with a sunscreen that have at least SPF 30, okay? If not, it will darken your face, okay? Yeah, so if you don't have a sunscreen or you don't want to use it alongside the sunscreen, I advise you use this Goji Berry Face Cream only at night. So another thing I would like to note if you're to use this Goji Berry Face Cream is, if you have seen my last video or last 2 videos on vitamin C serum, you already know there are some ingredients or products that do not go together with retinol, so you should avoid using those products alongside Goji Berry Face Cream, because Goji Berry Face Cream actually contains retinol. So these products like this vitamin C serum, benzoyl peroxide, AHA and BHAs, okay? So if you should use them together, they would end up giving you a reverse reaction on the skin. That is, they end up clogging your pores, causing you skin irritation, or giving you pimples or breakouts on the face. So you need to avoid using vitamin C serum when using this, okay? If you actually want to use this product, I advise you to use this product at opposite times in the day. Like, you can use your face cream in the daytime and use your vitamin C serum at night, or you can go in with your vitamin C serum in the morning and use your Goji Berry Face Cream at night. So yeah, that is basically it. So I would advise you use your vitamin C serum in the day and use your Goji Berry Face Cream at night. Don't use them together, they do not work together. If not, they will end up clogging your pores and causing you breakouts on the skin, okay? So moving on, so the next thing I'll be talking to you guys about is how to identify the original and the fake of this. In order to differentiate the original Goji Berry Face Cream from the fake, the original Goji Berry Face Cream, the J in Goji is replaced with a small Q. This is the Goji, like that's how the original is spelled, while the fake is spelled as Goji, like the J is still J. So I'll be inserting the picture of the fake and the original on the screen. So the only difference there is just the spelling, okay? So that is probably how to note or differentiate the fake Goji Berry from the original. So this Goji Berry Face Cream is a really nice face cream to use on the face. It moisturizes and hydrates your skin very well. It's suitable both for dark skin, light skin, as long as you want your skin to feel radiant, supple, soft. Like, it goes a long way to it actually helps to get rid of your dark spots and acne scars. It's 100% safe to use on the skin. It doesn't contain any paraben or any harsh chemicals. You don't need to worry about wrinkles or aging skin. This will give you that radiant glow that you are craving for, okay? So yeah, I would recommend this product. Like, this product is really a good buy. It's sold at the price of 1,500 to 2,000 naira, depending on where you're buying it from. So this one I actually got for 2,000 naira. You can actually get this on Jumia, Amazon, or a nearby cosmetic shop. So this product is really a nice product to buy. So we have basically come to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Try to figure out who I am, not sure what I'm doing here.